Hello! Today we will learn some very important Latvian phrases that you should know when you arrive to Latvia.
How to say Latvian in Latvian?
So if you want to say about Latvian citizen, you'll
Mhm.
say Latvietis.
Latvietis.
Yeah. Es esmu Latvietis.
Es esmu Latvietis.
Yes, for a
Mhm.
man.
Okay.
And if you are a woman,
Mhm.
you would say Es esmu Latviete.
Es esmu Latviete.
Yes. If you want to say Latvian book,
Okay.
for example, or anything what is Latvian, you would say Latviešu.
Latviešu.
Yeah. Latviešu
Latviešu.
dziesma.
Latviešu?
Latviešu dziesma.
Dziesma. Dziesma means?
Song.
Song.
Latviešu dziesma means Latvian song.
I thought it is musica.
Mūzika, it is music.
Okay.
Yes. So in Latvian language, you would say Latviešu mūzika.
Latviešu musica.
Latvian music.
Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
What other questions you have today?
And how to say Latvia in Latvian?
In Latvian, Latvia would sound Latvija.
Latvia.
Yeah, we have like a J,
Ah.
and J in Latvian sounds Y.
Some people who don't know about like J is silent like a Y, yeah, here in Latvian language. Then people say Latvija.
Latvija, yeah, it's in
Latvija.
English, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Latvija.
Where here in Latvia, it is Latvija. Same as Jurmala. Some people say
Jurmala.
Jurmala. They don't say Jurmala. It is actually Y. And
Yes.
Jurmala, which is beautiful place that you should visit. When you arrive to Riga, it is a place of beautiful sandy white beach.
And same as Liepaja.
And same as
In English it's
Liepaja.
called Liepaja.
Liepaja?
Liepaja. Because it's
Yes, I don't know the
yes.
letters in Latvian alphabet. So yeah, I have previously made some videos, actually
Mhm.
4 of them. So if you guys still don't know any Latvian letters or you have no idea how to read Latvian language, please go back to the lessons and try again, learn them again.
Okay.
Liepaja, Jurmala, Latvija.
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
And what is your next question?
Okay. And how do you say hello in Latvian?
So there's many ways how to say hello in Latvian.
Mhm.
The simplest one that I like, it is ciao.
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 In many other European countries, and even I think in Brazil, they say ciao.
Okay.
But I'm not sure if they always say it when they want to say hi, maybe mostly when you want to say bye-bye or something. In Latvian, if you want to say hi and bye, it is both ciao.
Okay.
The another word, it is sveiki.
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 Sveiki. I think and this Sveiki word is like the what's in the book. Yes.
Yes.
What people teach to the children and in the school.
Yes.
It's like hi to Sveiki.
Yes, you say just hello or hi would be sveiki.
Sveiki. Okay. And how you say goodbye in Latvian?
Uz redzēšanos.
Huh?
Uz
Uz
redzēšanos.
redzēšanos.
Uz redzēšanos.
Uz redzēšanos.
Yes. Or you can
Redzēšanos.
also say atā.
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 Yeah, mostly I think in Latvian we would say twice. Word atā. Yeah, atā.
Atā. Okay. Understand.
Uz redzēšanos atā. Yeah, tas būtu viss. That will be all. That's it. But
Okay.
not.
And how to say thank you in Latvian?
I think there's only one way how to say thank you in Latvian. It is paldies.
Paldies.
Yes.
Okay.
Paldies.
Paldies.
Have you heard this before?
Yes.
Yeah.
When you go to buy anything like from the shop, they say paldies.
Yes, paldies.
And they say 2 more words. Visu labi. What does that mean?
Visu labu.
Visu labu.
It is like not welcome, it is good luck or see you soon kind of. Ne,
Okay.
uzredzēšanos, it is see you soon, see you again as a bye. But visu labu, it's more like good luck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Or I wish you all the best, literally means. But I'm thinking, how would you say this in English? Probably something like, yes, good luck, bye bye.
Okay.
Yeah, also visu labu.
And how to say how are you in Latvian?
How are you in Latvian?
Yes.
Kā tev iet?
Kā tev iet?
Yes. It is like, how are you doing? Maybe kā tev iet? Kā iet?
Kā iet? How are
How's
you?
going? That's probably what would be the most similar to English, is be how's going.
How's going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kā
But
iet?
there is no mean for how are you in Latvian, yeah?
Kā tu jūties, kā tev iet? It depends what you want to get the
Okay.
answer from. Yeah, because I think in English, when you say how are you, most of the times people don't really care. They just
Okay.
do it because of like politeness. But in Latvia, if you're gonna ask anybody who is from here, they would actually give you the answer. So it will not be like in Britain. They will say, how are you? I'm okay. How are you? I'm fine. And let's move somewhere else, right? Let's go our own way. No. In Latvia, you would actually want to hear the answer. If I'm going to be quite serious, if I'm going to ask you, how are you? Kā tev iet? Kā iet? Kā tu jūties?
And if I say I am fine, how to say in Latvian I am fine?
Man iet labi.
Man iet labi.
Yeah.
Like I am good. Yeah.
Yes, man iet labi. You can say just good, which is labi.
Labi, good.
Yeah,
Okay.
labi, good. Or you can say man iet labi.
Man iet labi.
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm good, yes.
Okay. I want to ask one more thing. Like how to say good morning in Latvian.
Oh, I can teach you good morning, good afternoon, everything. Good morning, it is labrīt.
Labrīt.
Yes.
Okay. Labrīt.
Yeah. If you want to say good afternoon, labdien.
Labdien.
Yes. And if you want to say good evening, labvakar.
Labvakar.
And if you also want to say to someone good night.
I know this one.
Well, tell me.
Ar labu nakti.
Yay! It is ar labu nakti.
Ar labu nakti.
Good night. Do you have any other questions today?
No, thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed this little lesson. If you have any other questions about Latvian language, Latvia Riga, or maybe you want to know more phrases, please leave a comment below and we will answer in the next few videos. Bye!
Bye-bye.